Hey there, everyone. Welcome back. You know that Evergreen ship that was blocking the Suez Canal? There's this article that came out saying that trafficked children, bodies, and weapons found on the Evergreen ship that was blocking the Suez Canal. In this article, it states that the U.S. Navy SEALs found over thousands of trafficked children, dead bodies, and also weapons of mass destruction on the six-story high vessel, which were believed destined to start a war in the Middle East. Supposedly, not only that they found children on this vessel, they supposedly found weapons of mass destruction, nuclear bombs. Sorry to break it to all of you, but this is actually false/fake news. The claim is over 1,000 trafficked children and dead bodies were rescued by U.S. Navy SEALs out of shipping containers on Evergreen's Ever Given cargo ship after it became stuck in the Suez Canal. This is actually false. The source of the text appeared to be before its news is a dubious website that has consistently published content not rooted in facts. For example, the unreliable website once falsely claimed Pope Francis had been found guilty of child trafficking and murder. Not one credible news publisher across the world reported anything similar. If such a story had any basis in fact, it is unlikely that coverage of the masses breaking news event would be limited to a single obscure website that had a history of publishing false and misleading content. In sum, no credible news publisher or government entity reported that U.S. Navy SEALs rescued trafficked children and found dead bodies on Evergreen's Ever Given cargo ship. For that reason, we have rated this story as false. Like the article stated, if it was actually real, all mainstream news channels would actually be reporting on it and not just some fake website that's actually been known for spreading misinformation and false news. So all these YouTube channels are actually spreading this misinformation, which is actually a big no-no. All these channels here, you got Years of Pandemic, Elizabeth Ann, Shallox Zero. Since they're spreading misinformation, they're at risk of losing their channel. There's actually this other user, Abby269, that shared this video Nuke on Evergreen ship, Navy SEAL searching now. Well, guess what? You go to look it up, channel's terminated. So this be a lesson and a caution to anybody else on YouTube. Don't be spreading false or fake news or information because you can actually lose your channel. So all these other channels that I found that are reporting that the Suez Canal ship had children in it and weapons and all this other stuff can actually be terminated, which is crazy. So they better watch out. I just wanted to point out that this article was also created on April's 1st, which is April's Fool's Day. So yeah, if anything, that also tells you that it's fake/false news. Anyone who reported on it, April Fool's Day, your channel just got terminated. I just wanted to share this information with all of you. Please let me know your thoughts and opinions about this in the comments below. Please like this video, click that subscribe button over there, and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe. God bless you all. Take care, and peace out.